Hello, Walsh family. We are in the midst of historical and challenging times for our country, state, communities, and for Walsh. None of us asked for this current situation, but I believe our ability to adapt and embrace our new reality will lead to success and my personal hope for greater patience, tolerance, and peace. The pandemic will end, but much of the creativity, adjusted processes, and altered communication practices may remain. Things like social distancing, a renewed appreciation for gathering with friends and family, and new ways of conducting business. As I reflect on the tremendous changes we've all experienced in less than 30 days, I am impressed with how our faculty, staff, and students have adjusted to this new normal. I'm proud of the way our team is using technology and resources to continue to personally support students through remote learning and to offer virtual services for admissions and academic advising, career services, financial aid, free tutoring, and more. But support and resources have gone beyond the expected. We've expanded the Student Emergency Assistance Fund to provide additional support for students affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Many of our friends and family are contributing, and we are incredibly grateful for their kindness. Our Student Life Investment Club recently hosted a 100% virtual webinar that was a great success, and more virtual events are being planned. Check our website for updates and join us. Faculty and alumni have been sharing their wisdom with our community. Visit our blog for videos and inspiring words. Right now, community is more essential than ever. Connect and stay informed. Follow Walsh on social media and check our COVID-19 webpage regularly for updates. If you're a student, download the Navigate Student app to connect with advisors, receive alerts, and find study buddies. And I invite you all to join Walsh Connect to network and support each other. In these uncertain times, Walsh remains unwavering in our dedication to provide the highest quality education for students without interruption, no matter what. We are grateful to share this journey with you. On behalf of the entire leadership team, we wish you and those you care about health, safety, and peace of mind.